Product groups use categories to help define the type of products they contain. They are reflected on your website and allow users to filter for similar products. To manage categories in Tuplo Studio, open the Categories tab in the Asset window by going to the menu bar, selecting Window, then Categories, or by using Option Command 1. Categories can be nested within each other for better organization. To add a new category, choose More Options, New Group, or use Shift Command N. Then enter a title and press Return. When making changes to categories, be sure to click Save to apply any changes. You can add categories by selecting a category, then choosing More Options, New Category, or by using Command N. To delete a category, select it and choose More Options, Delete Category, or use Command Delete. You can drag and drop items in the window to reorganize them if desired. If you decide not to save your changes, click Revert to restore the window to the previous saved state. Later, we'll cover how to assign keywords and attributes. For now, you know how to create and manage categories in Tuplo Studio.